Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix weather widget is not updating in Samsung Galaxy A15. If you're using Galaxy A15 and you're facing the issue that your weather widget is not updating or is not showing correct weather, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have enabled your network connection. It might be your cellular data or your Wi-Fi connection, and you have to also make sure that you have enabled your location services. And keep a long press on your location services. Select weather from here and make sure that you have a little allow all the time. Or you can also keep a long press on your weather widget, or you can go to your weather app. Now, once you are in weather app, just select agree to allow weather to use your local location. So once you have enabled, it will allow weather app to fetch your location where you are, and it will give you all the settings here. So once you have done, just go back, click on this icon here, click on three dots at the top right, click on settings. Now once you are here, select local weather, enable this from here, and then I'll also enable auto refresh. So once I've enabled these features, it will allow your weather app or your weather widget to automatically refresh after a few moments. Then go to permissions. You have to make sure that you have enabled location and notification permission to your weather app. Go back, click on about weather, so it will check for if there will be any update for your weather app. Once you have done this, go back. Now your issue might have been fixed. You just have to tap on this weather icon or your weather widget, and you will get your weather info. But if you're still facing the same issue, your weather app doesn't fetch the latest information until you touch on it or you open the app. So it might be that your power saving is enabled, which blocks background usage of your app. So go to your settings here, go to battery, and in battery just scroll down, go to power saving, make sure that it's disabled. If you might see that it's enabled, just try to disable this first, and once you have disabled, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.